Hi, I'm here at Cheddar Caravan and Motorhome Club site. Very nice staff. Got here last night. So I'm just doing a meal, prepping it. Bought myself, should never go to Sainsbury's. Got myself some lean beef that I'm going to slow cook. Bought myself a new slow cooker from Tesco's. £45 I think it was, so I'm going to use that. But what I'm going to do for now, I'm just going to start prepping my stuff here, down here, and I apologise I've not got the mic on because the mic's flat at the moment, so I'll just do it this way. So forgive me if it sounds a bit muffled. I'll try not to cry. Get the onion, and we chop it up, country style as I call it. So I do sometimes eat healthily, or heartily even. Healthily and heartily. Last night I had pasta. Tonight I'm going to have either this tonight or maybe a salad tonight. I've got a bit of salad. So what we do, I'll take all the instructions out and I'll put them out the way. Get the container out. There you are, there's the onions in. I'm not very good at this, so I'll keep doing this. So I'm now going to cut some of these. I haven't got my glasses on, so please forgive me. And I haven't got a scraper, so I'm going to have to buy a scraper. Again, let's get rid of the rubbish. I said I'm not just throwing it on the floor. I've got a bin bag in there. Okay. I have cheated a bit because I've got some things that are already prepared, like Yorkshire puddings. So with this, it's bosh in there. Prepared these earlier. So again, small bag of potatoes, so we'll cut some of these up. But I've just realised I've got to do something else before I do any of the veg. I've got to cook the meat first, I think. Is that correct? Otherwise the veg will be too soggy, it'll be soggy bottom. So I'll take the veg out in a minute. This is going to last me a couple of days over this. That's the idea. This is going to last me a couple of days over this. That's the idea. I don't think I've got any more room than that. So what we'll do is we'll take this lot out. I don't know what I'm going to do with it now. I'll take it out and I'll put it in another pan for now. So we'll put this all in here for now. Try not to drop it. All that. So there's our veg done. Veg done. Plenty enough there, isn't there? Bit of water, I think, for... I'm not sure how I do this properly, but I'm going to do the meat now. So I've got a little bit of water. I'm not going to read the instructions because I don't do instructions very well. There we go. I will have a quick read, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the meat out, and I have to say it looks like a gorgeous piece of meat. I don't think it'll be that size when it's cooked though, but look at that. That's a nice piece of meat, isn't it? Hey? So it goes in the pan, in the slow cooker. I'm going to wash my hands now that I've touched that. Okay, hands washed. That can go in the bin. And I'll keep those instructions. Let's get some salt and pepper out. Bit of pepper. Nice bit of salt. Excuse me. Let's put this on. Now, I've got to work this out. I'll get my glasses for this. Work this out now. Excuse me. So it says slow cook. Let's have a look at slow cook. Menu slow cook. Slow cook. Right, that's slow cook. 4 hours, I think that is. Right, let's put that on for now. So we'll slow cook the meat for about 2 hours, and then this has gone funny again. So I'll slow cook the meat. I'm crap at this. I'm going to slow cook the meat for 2 hours in my new slow cooker. Slow cooker. It does everything, this cooker. It slow cooks it. Let's have what else it does. It does rice, it does roast, it does stew, it does saute, slow cook, meat. Oh, maybe I should put it on meat. Maybe I should put it on meat. Menu. Oh no, I'll have to turn that off and turn it back on. Slow cook will do, that's fine. So that's on slow cook. We've got our veg ready. I don't know why I got sausage casserole mixed, but it may well go in, yeah, you never know. And I've also got Yorkshire puds. Obviously not all for one go. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in there. No, 6, 8 in there. 8 Yorkshire puds. I love Yorkshire puds. So that's going over there. Pudding. I've got a couple of cherry scones for later on. So they're going over there. And I'm going to put some mushrooms in as well, because I like my mushrooms. So the cook is on. Sorry if I have my back to camera there. The most important thing now. Most important thing now. The most important thing now, while we're waiting for the meat, you have to do something else. And why wouldn't you have a nice Spanish rum and Coke? Oh, yes. So you get your glass, just put a little bit. No, that's enough, that's enough. No, stop. Oh, go on, carry on then. That'll do. Right, I know I'm mad. It helps being mad. And to think I was nervous about doing vlogging. I know I'm not good at it. but I actually enjoy it. And I enjoy talking to you lot. And I know I keep saying you're my family. You are. You know, I contact my kids, my stepkids, my friends, but you're my family that I share everything with. They watch this as well. They all watch this as well. So Gethin and Kai watch this, and I'm sure they frown at me, think, oh, not again. What's he up to? I'm sorry, I'm a little bit shy. Anyway, cheers everybody. We have to wait for the meat now. The meat. So the meat's all done now. Just going to put that down a second. So the meat is really nice and soft. I put the casserole in the middle of the night, believe it or not. Look at the meat though. Yeah, look at the meat there. So, wait a minute. Should get rid of the steam off there. So, no gravy in it yet. So it's got all the veg in now. And it looks nice. Look at that meat though. That meat looks absolutely gorgeous. Nice and soft. I didn't think it was going to go soft. My first attempt this is at doing a casserole. A slow cook one. So there's been a bit of a change of plan. Right, so basically I put the meat in yesterday. It's been in for 8 hours, and in the middle of the night I put the veg in. So it's been on all day. I put some mushrooms in just now and a few extra carrots. But I'm going to show you where we're at now, okay? And hopefully you'll be okay with it. So it's definitely all cooked. Look at that. I mean, look at the meat. That meat is, oh, and I've tasted some of it as well. So I'm now happy to add gravy granules to it to finish it off. And then that's my stew done. I'm not sure how it's going to work. I'm not sure I've got enough gravy granules, to be honest. But we'll give it a go. Done cheddar gorge. Did a bit too much walking today because I'm aching a bit now. And yeah, it's been really nice. It's gone a bit, oh, it's gone sunny again, but it went cloudy earlier on. It started raining a little bit. But yeah, great day, lovely site. Peter and Sandra are lovely here on the Caravan and Motorhome Club site in Cheddar. And you are right in the middle of the village, which is great. You're next to the football. Right, I found some more gravy granules. I've put them in. For me, that's looking perfect. I'm going to try and take you off there so you can see. I'll turn you around so you can have a look at it. So here we are. Look at that. But let me get some meat so you can see the meat, the quality of it. Got mushrooms in there. Can't see much of the meat at the moment because I think it's breaking up quite a lot, which is, I'm okay with that. Look at it. Oh, steamed up. That's lovely. So I'll leave that another half hour and then I'm going to have some stew. Yeah, you can see some of the meat there. It's all ready. It's got an hour and 35 left on there, so we're going to leave that on there like that. I'm going to dish up the food now. I'm hoping this looks and tastes as well. I'm hoping it tastes as nice as it looks. There we are. So look. This looks gorgeous. Look at that.
Hope you don't think I'm being greedy. I deserve a lot after the hard work that I've just done. So there we have it. There's my lovely stew. So put that down here. I've got my Yorkshires, my orange juice, salt and pepper, a bit of turnip and a bit of carrot. I found a bit of meat. Oh my god. And let's try the potato. Oh, this is sprouts, is though. Let's try potato. So let's try a sprout. So that is perfectly cooked, and I'm so pleased. I've probably got 4 meals there, so it's probably cost me £12 to make it all, and but 4 meals, £12, £3 a go. Fresh stew, homemade. Definitely a thumbs up. So that's my first proper beef casserole I've ever done, made myself from scratch. Always had it made for me, and it was always nice. I have to say, sorry Kelly, this is as nice as you ever made. But you did make good food, but this is absolutely spot on. I know I'm going to say that, but I wouldn't actually. If it was crap, I'd tell you. It really is nice. Anyway, on that note, I'm going to turn the camera off. Okay, I'm going to eat my food, get myself some alcohol, and then I'm going to go watch Netflix for a bit. Take care. Thanks for watching so far. If you liked it, do the old thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on YouTube, please. I really, really do need you to support me. Thank you very much, everybody. Stay safe. Love you all. Take care.